Near the end of 2023, SmileDirectClub filed for bankruptcy after not being able to turn a profit after going public in 2019. Founded in 2014, the telehealth company had more than 2 million customers worldwide. At one point, SmileDirectClub was worth almost $9 billion. What happened to SmileDirectClub? In 2014, SmileDirectClub was founded out of the Nashville area. It became a telehealth company that sold teeth aligners online and was marketed as an affordable option as opposed to going to the dentist. Effective immediately, however, SmileDirectClub has ceased operations. So, what happened to them? Let's take a look at why the company has folded and how you can continue to protect your smile. Now, while Sporting Smiles encourages people who need retainers to come to us for their needs, we've always believed that dental work needs to be completed and supervised by a dentist. Aligners are oral devices that will shift your teeth into the perfect position and are created with a direct expertise of a dentist. SmileDirectClub was marketed as an option to receive aligners to your home to shift your teeth into desirable positions. Many medical professionals were concerned about the practice of SmileDirectClub and their aligners, as the delicate and complicated process of shifting teeth could potentially lead to damaged nerves or severe teeth trauma if not aligned at a proper speed and manner. In 2019, SmileDirectClub went public, which may be the answer to why they are no longer in business. After the company went public, it was valued at almost $9 billion, but soon after, it had a tough time turning a profit. As of December 11th, 2023, SmileDirect's website is no longer functioning. Instead, it is just an FAQ page with some information about closing. One of the more concerning aspects is how the customer service portion of their company is closed, despite orders still being open. Another concern is how SmileDirect is asking customers to continue to pay for their aligner treatments despite not being in business anymore. This is from their FAQ section. SmilePay customers are expected to continue to make all monthly payments until payment has been made in full per the terms of our SmilePay program. Now we, as in Sporting Smiles, wants to be clear. We craft retainers that keep your teeth in that perfect position after aligners. We always encourage our customers to go to the dentist for their teeth shifting treatments, whether that is through braces or aligners. Your dentist will always have the best advice when it comes to shifting your teeth or oral issues. But SmileDirectClub also gave their customers retainers once their aligner treatments were finished. These retainers are crafted to simply keep your teeth in place and prevent them from shifting. There is no sophisticated treatment plans or teeth shifting at all. Retainers keep your teeth in place and preserve your perfect smile, which is why Sporting Smiles' business model is to provide affordable retainers to customers and not aligners. So, what happened to SmileDirectClub? They provided aligners, which are a critical oral device used to shift teeth. That was criticized by medical professionals, and they also went public in 2019, which may have led to changes in leadership, practices, standards, or pricing. These changes resulted in negative gains, including a debt of just under $1 billion, and led to SmileDirectClub filing for bankruptcy in 2023 before closing down in December. The American Dental Association continued to speak out against SmileDirectClub and their aligners, which led SmileDirect to file a lawsuit against them. This turned into a lengthy battle, which also drained the company. Their customers have been left frustrated and concerned about whether they will receive their treatments, or at the very least, properly refunded. Most customers actually found out through social media instead of the company itself. While SmileDirectClub was founded in 2014, Sporting Smiles has been in business since 2009, crafting retainers. These oral devices do not shift teeth and are crafted with the care and quality of the dentist. If you are a previous customer of SmileDirectClub and have received retainers from them, Sporting Smiles can continue to provide you retainers to protect your teeth from shifting. Sporting Smiles accepts molds of your teeth and STL digital files, so if you have either of those from SmileDirectClub, you may use them to receive premium retainers from Sporting Smiles. If you've just finished up aligner treatments and need retainers, Sporting Smiles can craft you them using our patented impression kit. We'll send you an impression kit where you'll take impressions of your teeth before sending them back with free 3-way shipping. Our expert dental lab techs will craft you your retainers to keep your teeth in that perfect position. Sporting Smiles has served over 1 million people worldwide and has a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Google with over 2,200 reviews. So in conclusion, what happened to SmileDirectClub? The company went against the medical advice of experts when it comes to shifting teeth, went public in 2019, which led them to accumulate debt, and has since turned off all customer service for their customers despite having open orders. If you need a retainer or a replacement set, Sporting Smiles can offer you a premium pair that is crafted to keep your teeth in place. We let the dentists do the teeth shifting, and we offer the maximum protection afterward with our retainers. If you are in an extreme rush to protect your teeth from shifting, we also offer emergency options that will put retainers in your hands in 6 to 7 business days. If you are interested in receiving a retainer from Sporting Smiles, all you have to do is click the link below.